Let the rain wash away all the pain of yesterday. With this beautiful thought, I just been call of class 8A and I am here to host today's morning assembly based on the theme rainy season. Let's start this pleasant day by remembering the Almighty with prayer.
Join your hands and close your eyes for the morning prayer.
You are with me wherever I go. Every moment your life in me flows. You're always there, close by my side. You are there, oh Lord, for day and night. You are there, oh Lord, for day and night. You are with me wherever I go. Every moment your life in me flows. You're always there, close by my side. You are there, oh Lord, for day and night. You are there, oh Lord, for day and night.
The rainy season is the most amazing season among all the seasons. The monsoon lasts in India typically for about 3 to 4 months. For a country like ours, whose economy is totally dependent on agriculture, the rainy season plays a vital role. Farmers eagerly pray for rain to arrive on time as the quality of crop directly proportional to the quality of rain. The rainy season is also crucial for maintaining groundwater level as well as water levels of water bodies such as lakes, ponds, rivers and seas. The monsoon gives break to everyone from the scorching heats of summers. The weather becomes pleasant due to the showers. The sky is filled with grey and black colored clouds. The sun is disappear between these clouds. Lightning and thunder usually occurs with rain. The rain enhances greenery, the trees and grass look green and beautiful. Everybody enjoy eating pakoras with tea whenever rain falls. Many important festivals such as Raksha Bandhan, Ganesh Puja and Rath Yatra falls during rainy season.
Do not let the monsoon diseases dampen your spirit to enjoy the rains. Here are some do's for looking after yourself. Maintain good personal hygiene and eat well. Always drink boiled water. Boost your vitamin C intake. Food should be cooked well. Hydrate yourself by drinking lots of water.
Avoid eating at the roadside stall. Never enter the air-conditioned room just before getting wet in the rain. Avoid raw or semi-cooked eggs. Children should not be consumed in one go. Thank you.
Good morning, Principal Sir, Happy Mr. Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I am Rashika from class 2nd B. Today I am going to recite Ireland on rainy season. The rain is raining all around. It falls on fields and trees. It rains on the umbrella here and on the ship at sea. Rain on the green grass and rain on the tree and rain on the house but not upon me. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning all of you. My name is Shaya Khanduri, class 1st day. Today I am telling about rainy season. I hate a rainy day. No outside games to play. Even though our house is roomy, rain made the inside gloomy. I don't mind the rain at all. When no friends come to call, I had the company I need. I pick my